As humans, one of our most precious possessions are our memories. Being able to share our home earth with everyone we know is truly the power of living. Filmmaking allows me to capture memories and create stories. How about you? What memories will you make?
B-roll.
You record yourself setting up?
Yeah, that'll be cool, dude.
Look at this guy, bro. Hell yeah, Jay.
I consider myself very lucky. For me, these aren't just videos I recorded, but memories I could look back to. Dreams make good stories, but everything important happens while we're awake, because that's the only thing that matters.
Okay, I have no idea where it is. Is that zoo or